Hi guys, so welcome to our Lat review. This is our first day reviewing for the upcoming September Lat. Yes. So number one, identify the play from which lines are taken. Will thou be gone is not yet near day. It was the nightingale, and not the lark, the period, the fearful hallow of thine ear. Nightly she sings on your pomegranate tree. Believe me, love, it was the nightingale. A. Love's Libor's loss. B. Othello. C. Romeo and Juliet. D. Cymbeline. What is the correct answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is letter C. Romeo and Juliet. So it's from them. Number 2, identify the poem from which the following lines are taken. Drink to me only with thine eyes, and I will pledge with me. Or live a kiss but in the cup, and I'll not look for wine. A. Song to Celia. B. Crossing the bar. C. Ode to the west wind. Letter D. She was a phantom of delight. What is the correct answer? Letter A. Song to Celia. Okay. Number 3. Identify the poem from the lines are taken. Have gleams that would make me less forlorn. Have sight of Proteus rising from the sea. Or hear old Triton blow his red horn. A. A chorus of innocence. B. God moves in a mysterious way. C. Elegy written in a country churchyard. Letter D. The world is too much with us. The correct answer is letter D. The world is too much with us. Okay, number 4. Identify the author of the poem toward which the following lines are taken. Oh, is she rosely love? Is she lovely rose? Oh, is she lovely sung as seashells? A. Fernando M. Maramag. B. Mauro Mendez. C. Natividad Marquez. Letter D. Jose Garcia Villa. The correct answer is letter D. Jose Garcia Villa. Okay. Number 5. Who said these are the times to try men's soul? Letter A. James Madison. Letter B. Thomas Paine. Letter C. Benjamin Franklin. And letter D. Thomas Jefferson. The correct answer is letter B. Thomas Paine. Okay, next, who wrote the novel War and Peace? So we have here two choices na lang para sa inyo. Who wrote the novel War and Peace? C. Shaw, D. Tolstoy. Sino nagsulat niyan? Correct answer is letter D. Tolstoy. Okay, very good. Number 7. Identify the play from which the lines are taken. All that glitters is not gold. Often you have heard that told. Many a man his life hath sold, but may outside to behold. Glided tombs do norms enfold. Letter A. Mentioned of Venice. Letter B. Hamlet. Letter C. As You Like It. Or letter D. Macbeth. A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is letter A, Merchant of Venice. Number 8, who said Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Letter A, Richard M. Nixon. Letter B, John F. Kennedy. Letter C, Dwight D. Eisenhower. Letter D, Lyndon B. Johnson. And the correct answer is letter B, John F. Kennedy. Number 9. Identify the poem from which the stanza is taken. Trust no future, however pleasant. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present, heart within and God overhead. Letter A, Hymn to the Night. Letter B, The Cross of Show. Letter C, My Lost Youth. And letter D, A Psalm of Life. The correct answer is letter B, A Psalm of Life. Okay, thank you.